a small village, there lived a bright young girl named Nura. She had big dreams and an even bigger love for boating. Every evening, she climbed to the rooftop of her brick house, watching boats glide along the distant river, wishing she could be on one too. But boats cost money, and Nura had none. One day, her eyes landed on something forgotten, an old blue plastic water tank lying dusty on the roof. A smile appeared on her face. "What if this could become my boat?" she whispered. Nura got to work. She scrubbed the tank clean, cut out a space to sit, and painted it with white stars and little sea waves. It wasn't fancy, but it was hers. There was just one problem: no engine. She sat beside it, thinking hard. Then, an idea brighter than the sun sparked in her mind. She grabbed a small fish cage and gently placed 3 playful goldfish inside. She tied the cage to the front of the boat, then dangled some fish feed just out of their reach. As the fish swam toward the food, the cage began to move, and slowly, the tank boat followed behind. Nura gasped in joy. Her boat was moving, powered by fish. People by the riverside stared in amazement. A little girl, in a homemade boat, gliding across the water with nothing but imagination and a few swimming fish. Nura didn't just cross the river that day, she crossed the limits that held her back. She showed the world that even without money, creativity and courage can carry you anywhere. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Dreamy Tunes, and tap the bell so you never miss an adventure.